happy bees, it's Amanda. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a little boy's face. There is a full video where he is transformed into a parrot. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check that out, and I'll also put a wee card up above here. But for this video we're just going to concentrate on the face, as so many of you have messaged me or have left comments that you're struggling with faces at the minute. So with that being said, let's jump in. So you're going to need an oval of fondant or edible modelling paste, and you're going to create an indentation roughly 3/4 of the way down the face with your finger. Then you're going to take your two thumbs or fingers and create two more little indentations. As you can see, that's going to create eye sockets. Then use your fingers to create an outline of a nose. I'm using this cake decorating tool now to create some more definition with the nose. And we're also going to go in with a ball tool as well. I'll put links in the description below for all the materials and tools that I'm using to create this topper. And there's also some templates as well if you need a little bit of extra help. I'll put a link to the templates in the description for you as well. Now you're going to use a shaper tool or any kind of scribing tool to create a smile. You're going to start the smile just where one side of the nose ends and bring it up quite high on one side. I'm going to use the end of this cake decorating tool to create two eye sockets now. And you're going to fill in those eye sockets with some black fondant. I find with cake toppers, catch lights make such a difference, so don't forget to add some white catch lights with some edible paint. And you can use that shaper tool to create some little nostrils as well. Now believe it or not, eyebrows also make such a huge difference to your fondant faces, so don't forget to give your character some eyebrows as well. I'm going to use some peach edible dust now to add some colour to his little cheeks. And the easiest way I find to make ears is to cut a circle of fondant or modelling paste in half. That way you know they're going to be equal in size. You're going to stick one half of those sides onto the face and then use that same cake decorating tool to go in and create the indentation in the middle. So now that you've got your facial features down, all we need to do is give this little guy some hair. So you're going to roll out some pieces of your fondant or modelling paste into teardrop shapes. Then you're going to use a knife to create some hair-like indentations on the paste. And you're going to go ahead and repeat this process over and over and over until you have all the hair stuck on. This part can be quite time consuming, but I have to admit I really enjoy creating the hair because it can be so much fun. If you're still struggling, don't worry, I've got you covered. The template kits are available in the description below. Click on that video on your screen now if you want to see the full tutorial, and also make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell so that you'll be the first to know when there's a next Happy Bee Cakes video. Thanks guys!